Welcome to the last part of video series on installing BAO 7901, where I'll be demonstrating how to configure Enterprise Service Bus. Let's get started. In this video series, we installed repository, CDP and HACDP, all with their own instances of Remedy SSO. Since these are all separate instances, any user account changes made within, say, repository won't get automatically synced with RSSO of CDP and HACDP. Similarly, any modification done within CDP or HACDP's RSSO instances won't reflect within repository's RSSO console. That's where Enterprise Service Bus comes into picture. For example, let's open repository's RSSO, create a user account. As you can see, user is created successfully. Now let's check the CDP and HACDP's RSSO console to see if the user account got synced. Click on refresh. As you can see, no user got created. Now we'll check for HACDP's RSSO console. Click on refresh. As you can see, no user got created. Now let's see how to configure Enterprise Service Bus. For that, first stop the component services. This is my HACDP server. Now let's switch back to the repository server. Now go to the AO home and repository. Edit the broker config.xml file. Since my environment uses both CDP and HACDP, I will update this file with its details. After the transport connector section, add the following details. Now we'll provide CDP HAIP address and port. Now we'll provide HACDP's HAIP address and its port. Now save the file and close it. Now let's repeat the same changes for CDP. Here, let's add the details for repository and HACDP. We'll provide repository HAIP address and its port. Same for HACDP. And its port. Now we'll save the changes and close it. Lastly, let's update HACDP's broker config.xml with repository and CDP details. This is my HACDP server. We'll open the HACDP's broker config.xml file. Now we'll add the repository and CDP's detail. Here we'll provide repository's HA address and its port. Now we'll do same changes for CDP. And its HA port. Now we'll save the file and close it. Now let's start the service again and then we'll check if the user account changes are getting synced across all these three BAO components. Now we'll start the service. Now let's switch to the repositories VM. Now we'll start the CDP and repository services as well. Now we'll open repositories RSSO. Here we'll create one user. As you can see, user is created successfully. Now we'll check if the user account is getting synced across the other two BAO components. Now let's log into CDP's RSSO. As you can see, user account created in repository got successfully synced here. Now we'll log into HACDP's RSSO. As you can see, the user we created is also available under HACDP. So our enterprise service bus is working successfully. I hope you enjoyed this video series and are now familiar with installation of BAO 7901. Stay tuned for more BAO videos.